Imagine a land of endless expanses, diverse cultures, and awe-inspiring landscapes. Welcome to Russia, a country so vast it spans 11 time zones and offers a myriad of unique experiences. From the historic Red Square to the tranquil Lake Baikal, Russia is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered. Picture yourself on a thrilling road trip, journeying through the heart of this incredible nation. Ready to embark on an unforgettable journey? Here are the top 10 must-visit cities in Russia. Starting at number 10, we have Kazan, the city where Orthodox Christianity meets Islam. This vibrant city is home to iconic landmarks like the Kazan Kremlin and the Kolsarev Mosque, both echoing tales of a rich and diverse history. As you wander the streets, you'll be immersed in a unique blend of cultures, a melting pot where East meets West. With its harmonious fusion of traditions and religions, Kazan truly embodies Russia's diverse cultural heritage. A city of peace and coexistence, Kazan is a testament to Russia's diverse cultural heritage. Next up, at number 9 is Sochi, the summer capital of Russia. Known for its warm climate, Sochi is a haven for beach lovers. But it's not just about sun and sand here. The city is home to the renowned Rosa Khutor ski resort, a testament to Sochi's diverse offerings. And who can forget the 2014 Winter Olympics, an event that put Sochi on the global map. Whether it's summer or winter, Sochi promises a fun-filled experience. Taking the 8th spot is Vladivostok, Russia's gateway to the east. This strategic city, perched on the edge of the Pacific Ocean, serves as a crucial maritime port linking Russia with the rest of Asia. But Vladivostok is more than just a port city. It's a unique cultural melting pot where Russian traditions intertwine with Asian influences, creating a distinct fusion that's a feast for the senses. In Vladivostok, you'll find a different side of Russia, one that's equally fascinating. At number 7 we have Ekaterinburg, the city that straddles Europe and Asia. This geographical wonder is a melting pot of diverse cultures, where Eastern traditions blend seamlessly with Western influences. Ekaterinburg houses gems like the Church on Blood, a significant monument steeped in history, and the Ekaterinburg Circus, a spectacle of lights, laughter, and breathtaking performances. The allure of Ekaterinburg lies in its unique position, a meeting point of two continents. Ekaterinburg is where the East meets the West, and the result is nothing short of magical. Coming in at number 6 is Nizhny Novgorod, a city that's steeped in history. Nestled on the confluence of the Volga and Oka rivers, it boasts a historic Kremlin that's a testament to the city's past. Its walls echo tales of czars and revolutions. But history isn't all Nizhny Novgorod offers. It's a vibrant hub of arts and culture with galleries and theaters aplenty. And let's not forget the stunning Volga River views, a sight that truly takes your breath away. A visit to Nizhny Novgorod is like stepping back in time, a time of czars and revolutions. As we move into the top 5, the cities become even more captivating. Starting off at number 5, we have the city of Suzdal. This charming city is like a living museum, with its ancient monasteries, cathedrals, and traditional wooden houses. Suzdal offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life, and is the perfect place to experience the soul of old Russia. Next, at number 4 is Veliki Novgorod. Known as the birthplace of Russia, this city is steeped in history and culture. Its medieval monuments, including the Novgorod Kremlin and St. Sophia Cathedral, are recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. A visit to Veliki Novgorod is like stepping back in time. Our third city, Irkutsk, is a gem in the heart of Siberia. With its beautifully preserved 19th century architecture and close proximity to the stunning Lake Baikal, Irkutsk is a must-visit for nature lovers and history buffs alike. Now, for our top 2 cities. At number 2, we have the magnificent St. Petersburg. Often referred to as Russia's cultural capital, St. Petersburg is an art lover's paradise. With its world-class museums including the Hermitage and its stunning architecture such as the Winter Palace, this city is truly a feast for the eyes. And finally, at number 1 we have the mighty Moscow. Russia's capital and the largest city in the country, Moscow is a city like no other. From the iconic Red Square and the Kremlin to the vibrant nightlife and bustling markets, Moscow is a city that never sleeps. It's a city that's constantly evolving, yet deeply rooted in its rich history and traditions. These cities are the heart and soul of Russia, each offering a unique glimpse into the country's rich history and vibrant culture. And there you have it, the top 10 must-visit cities in Russia. Each city, a world in itself, waiting to be explored. From the historic charm of Kazan, the coastal delights of Sochi, the eastern wonders of Vladivostok, the vibrant aura of Ekaterinburg, and the cultural richness of Nizhny Novgorod, to the remaining 5 cities that each hold their own unique allure. Every spot we've journeyed through today offers an unforgettable experience, a chance to immerse in the diverse landscapes, rich history, and the vibrant culture of Russia. These cities are not just destinations, they are stories waiting to be lived. They are chapters of your own Russian road trip that's yet to unfold. So why wait? Start planning your ultimate Russian road trip today. Dive into the heart of these cities, make memories, and let your wanderlust guide you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to worldcue for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring.